here in the southwest of England with the first A60H to enter the UK market. This is a pre-production machine where we've been doing some testing in a quarry environment. The new tyre technology gives this machine ground pressure that's in line with the rest of the Volvo articulated hauler range. Power comes from a Stage 4 compliant Volvo D16 engine delivering 470 kilowatts of power or 630 horsepower with almost 3,000 newton meters of torque. All of this power is transmitted through the Volvo design drivetrain, giving us a 6x4 and 6x6 drive configuration. We've improved the suspension on the front axle using active ride technology. So it's not all about the front axle, we can't forget the rear end where we're using the tried and tested bogey beam solution. The articulation joint has a high centerline, giving us excellent rear end stability. Also, we have very good ground clearance for tough haul road conditions. So we've seen the A60 working in the quarry environment. Here it is in heavy infrastructure.